Hey Internet, welcome to Monday. Hope your week is going well. The thing I've sort of been thinking about both on the walk home and then a little bit over the weekend is sort of just my perception of work ethic and sort of the amount of time that I could easily or willingly dedicate to studying. Um, and sort of what I mean by that is I think I think when I was in undergrad, I would study regularly what felt like all day, every day. Um, and now, when I'm in this program, I actually end up, in class from, let's say, like 9 to 6:30, and I try to study an hour before class. I try to study an hour after class, but I just feel like I am sort of less net hours per week than I did when I was in school. There could be a few reasons for this. First reason could be just like that's actually true. I am studying fewer hours per day than I was in school. Partly just because I have like one program, like one concentration rather than say like five classes, like a math class, a French class, a Chinese class, a finance class, so on and so forth. And maybe the fact of having a bunch of different things made me or incentivized me to just study more hours per week. Second sort of possibility that I'm thinking about is actually I just like misremember things. So human memory is sort of like a reconstruction of the past. It's not an actual picture or like accurate representation a lot of the times. So it could just be misremembering things. The third thing that I'm sort of thinking about is potentially I could just like have less work ethic, or I just like less discipline, or I could just want to work less. Like I find it harder to work all weekend, every weekend. Sort of enjoying not only getting life tasks done, like laundry, grocery shopping, so on and so forth, but like this project is taking up a fair amount of time in a way that I really enjoy. And I guess perhaps I value or emphasize social relationships and like human connection more than I did perhaps in undergrad. Or I try to be more intentional about it. So there's a variety of reasons why I think either I feel or I may be spending less time per week studying than I did when I was in school. And when I sort of think about how many hours I worked while I was at this sweet consulting job, I would often be at work for like anywhere from 50 to 70, sometimes 90 or 100 hours a week, and I was just miserable. So maybe one doesn't want to make him, her, or themselves miserable if you have the choice. And currently I have the choice. So I guess sort of my question to you is around whether or not you feel like on your journey to LTC, Learn to Code, do you feel like you're spending more time, less time than you did when you were in school studying, or if you went to school? Not saying everyone should go to school. That's sort of just a broad generalization that I feel is like probably provably inaccurate. Sort of how do you think about the time that you do have to LTC, Learn to Code, whether it's a few hours a day, a few hours a week, whatever, sort of like what is your process? Do you feel like you have sufficient time? Do you feel like you just don't have enough time? Where are you sort of getting stuck in terms of your sort of temporal deployment, or I guess employment, like schedule or whatever? And lastly, I guess, do you have any tricks or things that have worked for you? So in summary, this video is supposed to just be a little short video about sort of the reflection on on current self and how much I'm studying versus previous self and how much I remember or feel like I studied when I was younger, in my early 20s. So anyway, that's the summary of this video. We also wanted to know what you think about the topic and sort of just studying in general in LTC. So, all right, I am off to make some dinner as per the common evening ritual. Hope you have a great rest of the night, and I hope to see you soon. Okay, bye.